Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I wanted to say Happy New Year to you all. Let's hope that the 2025 is going to be better than the 2024. Of course, guys, in a lot of instances, what's happening in a year, it is kind of down to us. So let's hope we'll make some effort and make it 2025 as best as we possibly can. Secondly, I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of my supporters. Only literally last night, just before the end of the year, we hit 40,000 subscribers and we're now reaching out to a 14.2. So the channel has gone from strength to strength, and it is thanks to you. I really honestly, guys, cannot stress enough how much I appreciate your support. For all of you who's new to the channel, guys, you're probably aware that my channel is very much multi-dimensional. It is a prepping channel, so the emergency preparedness is one of the keys, but at the same time we cover a lot of different things on the channel, things like obviously the food, other sort of preparations, and the new series which was called Back to Basic, which means that we're trying to learn certain things, certain skills, to avoid using the supermarkets as much as possible and try to do things from scratch. And of course, guys, all of those different variations of the videos are going to be continuing this year. So first of all, guys, again, as we hit the 14,000 subscribers, I want to do a small giveaway. I wanted to do a small giveaway when I had 10,000 subscribers, but for some reason hasn't happened. But I've got here a lovely knife sharpening blocks with some accessories. And this is something I'm going to be giving away. So the whole idea is, guys, in this video, okay, just comment 14K, okay, and then put your comment, whatever you want to say. The winner will be announced on the 19th of December, which will be Sunday. I will publish the time of the live stream later on. Unfortunately, it's going to be a UK only entries, please. So what's going to be happening on Sunday, I'm going to be also doing live question and answers. So if you do have any of the questions, be it with regards to preparedness, cooking, or anything else, I'll be there live answering them for you. Another thing, guys, I was going to ask you, a lot of you watching the channel and returning to the channel as well. So if you're not subscriber, please consider subscribing. You don't have to watch all of my videos, because I appreciate there literally a lot of them are going in slightly different directions, but you can nitpick and watch whatever ones we like. But however, if you're a subscriber, guys, it really does help the channel growth. And another thing, if we get to my 15,000 subscribers by the 19th of December, then, guys, I'm going to do another giveaway. So if you are watching but not subscribed, then please do. Otherwise, guys, that's that. Again, Happy New Year and absolutely huge thank you. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.